Welcome back to Forest Corner. Today we are going to do a video about. Sorry, I didn't talk last time. I just talked a little bit last year, and I have a glitter glam that I'm gonna open that I got in my stocking this year for Christmas. So, yeah. And sorry if the graphics are really bad, like the lighting and stuff. And sorry if you can see some stuff in the background and hear some stuff. So let's just open this. Actually, we'll wait another year. And we'll just wait another year until we can open this. 1 year later. Okay, Mermaid, what do you want for this year? Okay, I got it. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Here you go, Mermaid. Oh, sure, Mermaid. I'll help you open this. So, this is a LOL Surprise Glitter Glam. And this is the first time I got this glitter glam. This is one glitter glam. It's like my first glitter glam. So, yeah. Okay, we can see something. Hold on, I just need to unwrap this. So guys, as you can see, there's like this first bag right there. I'm just going to open the second layer so I can get it in a good way. So, the question was first, I think it's light, camera, action. You guys ask. I have no idea. I think it's like camera action, so that's what I think. So I'm gonna open the second layer and I'll see you guys in a bit. So here's the next thing. It is what the babies can do. There's like just a little bit of stickers. And that was the second layer, and I'm just gonna pull this one out. Not open it, but just pull it out. That one was the easy one. And look at all these cool characters. Like there's one right here. I really want to get a good one. So let's keep unwrapping and let's see which one we get. So that was the third layer, and as you can see, there's like another bag over here. Alright. What? It fell! Oh my gosh. I'm doing this on my bed, so like the wrappers are all over. This is, I think, the cup, so you could feel it. So, as I said at the beginning, sorry if you can hear some things in the background. Now we're peeling off the fourth layer or the fifth layer. It's a black ball. Okay. Open it. I never get one of these black balls. I think it's only for glitter glams. I don't know, guys. Sorry if you can hear some things in the background. That's just my dog whining. He needs to go out probably. Okay. Alright. Oh, this is probably the outfit. And now, open this up. There's a lot of accessories, guys. So, this is crumpled up. That's how it came. Oh my gosh, but, okay. Yeah, everything. So here are the people you can collect. Wait, 11. This is a shorter one. So, yeah, let's get started opening the packages. But first, let me clean all these wrappers off my bed. Actually, Mermaid, can you help me clean all these wrappers? Sure. Bippity boppity boo. Clean all these wrappers off the bed. Oh, thanks, mermaid. So she cleaned all that up for us. I really appreciate it. And now we are going to, I really want to get Sugar because she's like the best, guys. Let's see if she's on here. Yep, Sugar is on here. Or I want to get the kitty queen or the queen. So, sorry guys if you see me half. Okay. So first we're going to start with the littlest one. I can't pronounce words today. These are like darker pinks than the regular version. Ooh, this cup is glittery. And it's like a very shiny blue and like with stripes, and on the top is black glitter. Alright, so that's the cup we have. I have no idea. Tell me in the comments who this person is. So we have, I think this is like one accessory. I can feel it. Ooh, little black bow. I think I know who this is. No, we're gonna leave the outfit. No. Okay, these are the shoes. Let's open the shoes up. Okay. Ooh, so it's white on top, a little black bow on it, and a shiny blue. And on the black. So we have two shoes just like that. I think I know who this person is. Now it's the person, guys. Comment down below in 5 seconds. Who do you think this is? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment down below. Did you? If you did, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Now, you ready to see who this LOL doll is? Open the package up. What does it say? Born to Sparkle. It says Born to Sparkle. It says Glitter Glam. Okay, you ready, guys? My first Glitter Glam. Oh my god. It's Curious Cutie. Oh my gosh, her hair is gold. Oh my gosh, and her buns are sparkly and her eyes are sparkly and she has gloves. Okay, see you. Wait, oh my gosh. Oh, her outfit now. And her outfit looks. It's so sparkly, guys. Oh my gosh. Alright, guys, see you when she gets dressed. So, guys, look. This is the reveal of her. And I'm so happy I got Curious Cutie. Even though I wanted some other LOL doll, I'm still grateful for her. And I didn't see her like this on the thing. On the construction. Whatever. It looks way cuter in real life. So, her eyes are so cute. Like, it looks like she's crying, like with glitter. It looks like she's crying with glitter. And I love her black bow. And I love her little cute buns. And her hair, of course, her hair has to be golden. And it didn't have to be golden, but it's just so cool. And her gloves, That's a new thing about her. She didn't have gloves before. And the sparkly dress, and cute little shoes, and her buns are glittery, of course. I just decided if she could shoot glitter out, whatever, she could shoot glitter out like this. One of those. But that would be so funny. But I think they only shoot water. So here's your toy you wanted, mermaid. Here, I wrapped it for you. Here. Here. Oh my gosh, mermaid, stop eating the LOL doll.